All right, so today I just figured out there's a new AI writing assistant in Google. Haven't tried it yet, so let's figure out how it works. So go to these three arrows, click on Settings, click over here, Experimental AI, Help Me Write. This is kind of cool. There's a tab organizer, automatically creates tab groups based on your tabs. I'm going to turn all this on. Looks fun. All right, so to use this, let's check it out. Let's go to our Gmail, compose an email to myself. Can you please hop on a Zoom? All right. So you right click here, help me write. Use this feature, turn on make searches and browsing better. Okay, so let's go to settings there. Looks like it's this one right there. Okay. Oh, enhanced spell check. Might need that. I don't know. Okay. So now let's do help me write. You can enter things like a few words, some is not the first draft. Oh yes. Okay. Enter three more. Zoom meeting 8 a.m. Monday with Debbie Insurance. Oh, let's try this. So it says, I'd like to set up a Zoom meeting for Monday at 8 a.m. The meeting will be with Debbie from our insurance company. Let's see, shorten it. I guess it's pretty much the same. Let's elaborate. Let's see. Okay, cool. I like the shorten better. All right, you can also do different tones, casual. Let's see what it does. See you there. Send an invite. She said yes. Cool. All right. More formal. Oh, cool. Okay, I like casual. So, cool. Well, let's try a different one. Golfing at 9 next week sometime to discuss building plans. Let's see what it says. I don't know why you'd be golfing. Okay, so I mean, kind of works. I'm sure this would be helpful in some stuff. Cool. Let's go ahead and. Okay, so you gotta delete what you wrote there. Oh, cool. All right, so that's how that works. That's pretty cool. Yeah. How else did you guys use this? Let me know.